Hi everyone, welcome to Celebrity Lifestyle. Today we are going to talk about Ranveer Singh's lifestyle. Ranveer Singh's full name is Ranveer Singh Bhavnani. His nicknames are Rambo and Bittu. Ranveer Singh is an actor by profession and he is also a lyricist and playback singer. Ranveer Singh was born on 6 July 1985. He is 35 years old as of 2020. His birthplace is Mumbai. Ranveer is an Indian by nationality and a Hindu by religion. Now let's talk about his education. Ranveer studied in the Learners Academy School, Mumbai. Later, he joined HR College of Commerce and Economics in Mumbai. Then he went to United States to do his Bachelor of Arts degree in Indiana University. Ranveer Singh has a degree in Bachelor of Arts. Now let's talk about his family. His father Jagdit Singh Bhavnani is a businessman who has dealt in automotive retail and also had interests in leather, hospitality and medical businesses. His mother is Anju Bhavnani and she mostly stays away from all the camera attention. Ritika Singh Bhavnani is his elder sister. Ranveer Singh married Deepika Padukone. Deepika Padukone is an Indian actress and producer who works in Hindi films. She is one of the highest paid actresses in India. They both got married on 14th November 2018 in Lake Como, Italy. It was reported that during college days, Ranveer dated Ahana Deol for a short while. Anushka Sharma and Ranveer Singh were said to be dating for a short while after Band Baja Barat. Ranveer began dating Deepika Padukone, his co-star in Golyan Ki Ras Leela Ram Leela, in August 2012 and they both got married in the year 2018. Ranveer always aspired to be an actor. He always participated in several school plays and debates. After completing his studies, Ranveer worked for a few years in advertising as a copywriter. He then worked as an assistant director but left it to pursue acting. In January 2010, Singh was called for an audition for a lead role under the banner of Yash Raj Films. Ranveer was confirmed for the lead role in the movie titled Band Baja Barat, co-starring Anushka Sharma. He won the Filmfare Award for the Best Male Debut Actor for his performance in Band Baja Barat. His second movie was Ladies vs. Ricky Bale. His movie Golyan Ki Ras Leela Ram Leela emerged as his biggest commercial success and he received several recognitions. In 2015, he did Bajirao Mastani co-starring Deepika Padukone and Priyanka Chopra, which became one of the highest grossing Indian films. Some of his other films are Lutera, Gunde, Befikre, Padmavat, Gully Boy, Simba and many more. His role of Alauddin Khilji in Padmavat movie was appreciated by the audience. Apart from acting, Ranveer is also a good rapper. In an interview, he said that if he was not an actor, then he would have been a rapper or a DJ. His movie 83 was scheduled to release in 2020 but later was postponed to next year. Now let's check out what are his hobbies. His hobbies are collecting shoes and hats. He has a huge collection of more than 200 shoes and 100 hats. He likes watching and playing football. Ranveer is also interested in reading. Ranveer Singh is renting a flat in Deepika Padukone's building for 7.25 lakh per month. Now let's talk about Ranveer Singh's cars and bikes. Ranveer has a Jaguar XJL which costs around 1.1 crore rupees. He owns a Mercedes-Benz GLS that costs around 1.5 crore rupees. He owns a Range Rover Vogue which costs around 2 crore rupees. He has an Aston Martin Rapide S costing around 3.29 crore rupees. Recently, he purchased a Lamborghini Urus which costs around 3.2 crore rupees. The makers of the film Lutera decided to gift Ariel vintage motorcycle to Ranveer as a token of appreciation. There are just 4 of these vintage bikes in India and this one costs around 6.8 lakh rupees. Now let's talk about his salary. Ranveer Singh charges 20 to 25 crore rupees per movie. He is one of the highest paid actor in the country. Now let's talk about his net worth. His net worth is around 207 crore rupees and according to the reports he makes around 37 crore rupees annually. Ranveer Singh is often known for his unique and eye-catchy dressing style. Now let's discuss about his brand endorsement. Ranveer Singh endorsed many brands like Manyavar, JBL, Bingo, Siarams, Thumbs Up, Setwet, Adidas, Colgate, Jack and Jones, and many more. Now let's talk about his watch collections. He has a Frank Miller Iron Croco, which costs around 10 lakh 19,000 rupees. Frank Miller Crazy Hours priced around 17 lakh 45,000 rupees. Frank Miller Vanguard Yachting Chronograph priced around 11 lakh 85,000 rupees. Frank Miller Master Square priced around 15 lakh rupees. Rolex Cosmograph Daytona priced around 27 lakh 54,565 rupees. Chopard priced around 6 lakh 56,500 rupees. Cartier Roadster priced around 7 lakh 82,700 rupees. Frank Miller Vanguard Automatic priced around 9 lakh 30,000 rupees. Frank Miller Vanguard Gravity priced around 87 lakh 75,000 rupees. Frank Miller Vanguard Bronze Edition priced around 5 lakh 10,000 rupees. Frank Miller Casablanca Edition priced around 7 lakh 17,350 rupees. Panerai Luminor 1950 GMT priced around 5 lakh 21,200 rupees. Frank Miller Long Island Crazy Hours priced around 21 lakh 81,500 rupees. Frank Miller priced around 46 lakh 92,300 rupees. Frank Miller Vanguard Carbon priced around 10 lakh 21,800 rupees. The V45 Vanguard Yachting Rose Gold and Diamond Frank Miller watch costing around 40 lakh approx. Now let's talk about his awards. Ranveer has won many awards including 4 Filmfare Awards, IFA Award, Zee Cine Award, Guild Award, Screen Award, Stardust Award, and many more. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel Celebrity Lifestyle.